Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a topic many of us are interested for over a century. India's telecommunications landscape has been governed by relics of the past, the Indian Telegraph Act, 1885, and the Indian Wireless Telegraphy Act, 1933. These laws, drafted in a pre-internet era, struggled to keep pace with the rapid technological advancements that revolutionized communication. Recognizing this need for change, the Indian Parliament passed the Telecommunication Act, 2023, marking a significant milestone. This article delves into the key provisions of this new legislation and its potential impact on the Indian telecom sector. A modern framework for a modern age, the Telecommunication Act, 2023, replaces the outdated legal framework with a more contemporary approach. It streamlines regulations, promotes user protection, and fosters a more investor-friendly environment. Here are some of the Act's key highlights. From licensing to authorization, the Act abolishes the complex licensing regime and replaces it with a simpler authorization mechanism. This aims to expedite approvals for telecom service providers and encourage greater participation in the market. SIM regulations and user protection. The Act cracks down on pesky callers and fraudulent activities. It mandates stricter verification procedures for issuing new SIM cards, including capturing verifiable biometric data. Additionally, stringent penalties are imposed for misusing SIM cards and phone number spoofing. Digital grievance redressal. Recognizing the importance of user experience, the Act establishes a robust, digital by design, online grievance redressal mechanism. This allows users to register complaints with telecom operators efficiently and conveniently. Spectrum allocation. The Act lays down clear guidelines for spectrum allocation, a crucial resource for telecom services. It provides for both auction and non-auction routes for assigning airwaves, catering to diverse needs within the industry. Universal Service Obligation Fund. The Act continues the legacy of the Universal Service Obligation Fund, now renamed the Digital Bharat Nidhi. This fund ensures the provision of telecommunication services in underserved rural areas and supports research and development initiatives. Government oversight and security. The Act empowers the government to intercept communications on public safety grounds and establish standards for telecom equipment to ensure interoperability and security. While this raises concerns about potential privacy infringements, the Act outlines safeguards to prevent misuse. A catalyst for growth and innovation, the Telecommunication Act, 2023, is expected to have a significant impact on the Indian telecom sector. Here's a glimpse into some potential outcomes. Enhanced user experience. Stricter regulations on unsolicited calls and improved grievance redressal mechanisms will empower users and lead to a more pleasant telecom experience. Investment boost. The Act's focus on a streamlined authorization process and investor-friendly policies is likely to attract new players and investments into the sector. This increased competition could lead to better services and lower prices for consumers. Digital inclusion. Continued support for the Digital Bharat Nidhi will bridge the digital divide by facilitating telecom infrastructure development in rural and remote areas. Technological innovation. The Act creates an environment conducive to research and development, potentially leading to advancements in indigenous telecom technologies and services. Challenges and considerations. While the Telecommunication Act, 2023, presents significant opportunities, it also comes with challenges that need to be addressed, balancing security and privacy. The government's power to intercept communications needs to be clearly defined and exercised with strict oversight to prevent potential privacy violations. Effective implementation. The success of the Act hinges on its effective implementation. Regulatory bodies need to be adequately equipped to handle the new framework and ensure smooth functioning of the sector. Competition and affordability. While the Act aims to foster competition, ensuring a level playing field for all players is crucial for keeping prices affordable for consumers. Conclusion. Ringing in a brighter future, the Telecommunication Act, 2023, marks a new chapter for India's telecom sector. It lays the foundation for a more robust, user-centric, and future-proof communication landscape. By addressing the challenges and ensuring its effective implementation, India can leverage this Act to unlock the full potential of its telecommunications industry and empower its citizens in the digital age. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe as it encourages us to work more harder. Thank you once again.